Hello everyone, welcome back again to the course Comprehensive Slope Stability Analysis using PLAXIS 2D. In this lecture 4T, we have a stability improvement of a riverbank slope protected with a layer of a riprap using PLAXIS 2D. So in some situation, especially in riverbank, sometimes we need to protect the slope at this region to prevent the erosion of this face of the slope, and also to increase the stability of the riverbank slope, and also to decrease the effect of the water wave or river wave against this slope. So what is riprap? Riprap is consists of a large and angular stones which are placed on soil surfaces or sometimes on slopes, as you can see in this figure. They are used to protect against erosion caused by flowing or wave action. So when the water flow in the river, or when the level of the river is rises, and especially in winter season. So due to wave action also the erosion of the slope happens. So by placing this layer of riprap, it protect the slope against the erosion. Also, it dissipates hydraulic energy and reduces soil particle detachment, and also prevents undercutting at the toe of riverbanks and embankment. So in this lecture, we want to simulate this type of geotechnical application in PLAXIS 2D, and we will see how placing one layer of this material, riprap, will affect the safety factor and the stability of this slope of or a riverbank slope. So we will model this soil stratigraphy and this slope. So we have a natural ground, and also we have a river. This is the water level, which is 2 meters below this area, and we will try to analyze this riverbank slope without this layer of riprap, and we will see the safety factor, and also after placing this layer of riprap, and we will see the improved safety factor again in both conditions. First of all, let me check the deformed shape. This is deformed shape before placing the riprap, and this one is failure or deformed shape after placing one layer of riprap. This rows is a water load because the water table is at here. So also we can check the failure surface in shading, so as you can see, and factor of safety after applying or placing riprap. We can check also the deformation contours, like this one and this one also, and also we can check the deviatric stress. As we can see, this shows the most critical failure surface after placing one layer of a riprap, before placing riprap, and this one after placing one layer of riprap. So this was for this lecture. I hope it was clear and useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.